Canva has finally dropped the update we've been begging for, and now it lets us put gradients directly inside a text without all the extra steps. So if you follow along with my old video right here, yes, the one where we have to do all those extra steps to fake a gradient, and you guys know that it was a whole process. But now Canva said we got you and you can skip all that mess. I'm going to show you exactly how to put gradients directly inside a text, how to tweak them for your brand, and a few cute combos that will make your designs pop in 2026. So let's get started. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and get straight into it. As you can see, I have this funeral program here. And by the way, if you want to know how this was made and learn a few things, I'm going to link the video in the description below for you guys to check it out. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is definitely delete this old difficult text. And we're going to go ahead and go to text. And we're going to add our own text here. I'm just going to re-enter his name. Collins J. By the way, you can use the free version of Canva when you are doing this. That's another perk that Canva has added, which is great. I'll caps his name, and I'm just gonna put the font that I want. You can use this with any font. It's really dope. Okay, so now I have my kind of font that I want. I have it size right. Now what we're gonna do is I like to kind of, when I'm creating gradients, I like to reference from like pull from colors of like elements or photos. So you can use this, but just to make sure I'm doing it correctly, I'm just gonna go to photos and I'm gonna search gold background, and I'm gonna choose the one that I like the best. I like this one. So now what I'm going to do is click the text here. And by the way, this was pro, but even if you are using a free version of Canva, we're not going to download this with the pro element. So you can click it and get the color from it and then delete it. So all right. So we were clicking the text here and we're just going to select text color. And I'm just going to hit the color wheel right here. And you want to go over to gradient. So right now it's set to solid color, which is white. We're going to go to gradient, and from there you can kind of see, you can set the gradient colors. Now this doesn't have to be gold, you can do any color, you could do silver, yeah, just about anything, any gradient you would like to create, go ahead and do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do dark to light, kind of like alternate between those two so we can really get that good ombre effect. So I'm gonna set this white. I'm going to go to the darkest part of this photo here, click it, and that's our dark color. Now I'm going to click the next one, and I'm going to get the pick a color tool, and I'm going to go to the lightest part of the photo. Now I like these two color combinations. We're going to use those. And basically I like to do it alternated until Canva does not allow us to do it no more. I'm not sure how many they allow us to do, but um I just do it until I can't do it anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and alternate these. All right, so Canva, we can't do it anymore, which is fine. Now I'm just gonna change the style, the direction of how the gradient is gradient, I guess. So I think I'm gonna choose this one. Wait, let's try the circle one. Whichever you guys think look best. I think I like this one here. So now we can go ahead and delete this, and we have now our gradient text. Now another thing that you can do with this is you can add an effect behind it, and you can like do a lift, so it can be a shadow behind it, which enhances it even more. Or we can do an outline, and I really like the outline because it kind of adds like a 3D pop out effect if you choose the right color. So now the cool thing about this is any text that you click on, you can basically like copy that same gradient. So you just click the text you want, click the text color, and then the gradient will still be there. You can do it with basically like any text that you have on there. All right, so guys, you kind of saw how I did it with like a gold gradient. I just want to show you guys that we can do it with basically like any color. And I like my fonts to kind of look metal. So if you just like want like a colorful kind of look instead of like a metallic look, that's fine too. That'll work. But yeah, I just want to show you guys that we can do it with many colors. So we're gonna dress up this flyer. So let's start with this one. I'm just gonna go ahead and click the same text tool. And as you can see, I already kind of been working with colors, but I'm gonna re-show you. So let's start off with green. I'm just basically gonna look for a green background. Yeah, so I'm gonna choose this one because I feel like it has a lot of dark to light colors here. We're gonna select our text. I'm gonna hit the text font tool here, and I'm gonna select add a new color, and we're gonna head over to gradient. Now we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna go from dark to light. I feel like that works best for me. Click the color icon here, and I'm gonna choose the darkest kind of color of this background, and then I'm gonna go to my second color and choose the lightest one. And then now let's just alternate from in between that. Okay, so did it until I really couldn't do it no more. And by the way, if you wanted to like delete any one of these, all you have to do is hover over it and click the X right there, and it deletes. Or if you want to rearrange it, just select it and kind of drag it, and it'll rearrange. So let's change the style. I think I'm gonna do this one. Yeah, let's do that one. And I'm gonna go to effects for this one just so it could pop out a little more. I'm gonna turn the thickness down, and we're gonna go ahead and kind of choose one that's resonate with this. I like this one, but yeah, perfect, just like that. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but I can definitely see it. Yeah, but let me know what you think about that. Okay, let's go ahead and do this one. I'm gonna make this like a pink. Um, we're gonna do the gradient. Same thing. Now I do have pink colors on here just because it's breast cancer awareness month, or hopefully by the time I post this, it's still October. Okay, so let's go here. I'm just gonna do this pink. And sometimes I just click this same color and all I do is like make it lighter like that, and that works out for me. The more you do this, the more you'll get familiar with it and you'll just flow through it. Um, yeah, perfect. I feel like that's good enough. I'm gonna change my style, and then same thing, effects. I'm gonna put an outline around this and make it thin. And the pink I like to use is just a little lighter. Okay, perfect. So as you guys can see, that looks really good. And let me know in the description if you want to see me design this or how I did it. Not sure if you guys just like funeral programs, but yeah, definitely let me know. And that's it, guys. We officially created a gradient text in Canva the easy way with no hacks, okay? Try it out in your designs and watch your text pop like never before. I want to see your creations, so make sure that you tag us on social media. I will put it on the screen as well. It will be in the description. If you love this update and you want more Canva 2025 tips like the new eraser tool or Ask Canva AI, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, and also turn on those notifications. If you would want to learn how to create beautiful funeral programs like so, feel free to join Epic Art Designs Creators Hub. I will see you on the next one.